don't really know. I still ask you again. Only one thing I ask you. Apart from, God damn it. These people, no, they not be better person. They don't love you. All those people, so, where they do all those things, so. See, come. It no go better for now. If you don't want peace for this matter, it no go better for now. I dey tell you now. You understand what I dey talk so. So una don't know what it be case. Most of una never go police station, even go give person food for inside prison before. Una don't know how case they be, both this side and this side. You understand? So una feel they call because una hate somebody. Una want make people they date it talk. But for we don't want them. You understand? Una don't let me talk poop for person matter. Una just they call her. The girl, you know, concentrate again. Which kind Europe people be this one? When we say their husband they say has they call another person. I don't understand. Emiok Beluwa, I never caused before. People which you know even know you want buy her. Okay, you want buy her now. Buy her. Man, give here. Oh, say her for 1 minute. Okay, follow her buy her now. Buy. You know what buy her. It will never hold you. You they call. You don't go police station, go give person water before. Abi, you don't go pay person, you don't go court, go do testimony. May you know how they be. You fit do testimony for in front of judiciary, whether you say you pull her for Bible or pull her for waiting you sabi. For Europe, Abi, you don't know say that they swear for Europe. I know they understand you now. When una know say person want make peace, una they try to they put effort make peace not come. Okay, if peace not come, say probably everybody. If they arrest me now today, una go they happy now. Some people go they happy for you. Hey, here more above. Can you imagine in una life? Everybody na helper to each other. There was a time when we say the person where they are two get problem, so you still they support her. You go tell her say show your hair. There was a time when we say still they support her, they follow and they do this thing. All those good times now we want bring back so that even though say they don't feel be friend again, but at least peace go day. They are two don't help each other. You understand? This one don't show to if I say I go to patronize and now my PA. It no easy. Now plus. That one I plus. If you know they think, me they think. You understand? He don't dedicate his life. He no even cook for his house. Food self go even burn for kitchen because say they do he want help donation. Food go burn for kitchen. The time where you take realize you go eat for night. So they are two sides. They don't help themselves before. So what thing they try to tell you? So we need to play maturity. Una way there Europe. Mona try listening. Mona know they call this girl. Mona know they spoil her mind. May we settle this thing. Nothing where we not fit do for this life. Nobody be past settlement. If they arrest you today, now if you be say 17 years judiciary or 22 years judge, now you go judge your case for court. You know senior me, a senior now. Because say go school for abroad. I don't understand. You go judge your case, you go say you go prison. You go. Anybody. Police will want to arrest you as senior now. Hello? What did they bring all those nonsense? Whereby say they want settle person issue, una go they put problem. Una don't want make peace reign. They don't talk, they don't saga. Fine, wait. May we settle this issue. If we will fit do one, by God grace, we go do one. Now let God they feel help person. This matter, not talk say I be Superman. Me wait there, yes. So you see the way I continue they talk. They talk like who they hold for math. Say they put key for my math. You know understand? So I need to be very careful to follow wisdom. If I don't use wisdom for this thing now, everywhere goes spoil for here. Okay. You understand? So please, guys, calm down. Here, Odo, calm down. You understand what thing they talk just now? If they still they call you.
No, not where we talk.
So listen to me. Now one thing now I want to ask you. You know, say waiting I talk just now, I make example. I say both sides now don't help on yourself. And to give person publicity, you know, be easy type. And for you to still take your time to support person, not be easy type. You understand what thing they talk so? So even though say friendship went wrong sometimes, you understand? Friends, I beg, thank you. Friendship went wrong. You they get what thing they talk so? Definitely. Even me, wait there. So for this my platform, you know, many people they don't talk to me anyhow. Many people will be my person, but I ignore. Everybody know they react like the way me could react. You understand? everybody, this thing not be the same. I don't know what they call that thing for inside body. Don't be the same. To take beard nonsense. Some people know they feel beard, they go speak out. You understand? Now I make individual differences for life. You they get what they talk so.
Yeah.
That time when I come meet you for Goya platform, I can't say you the verse. I can't say I'll leave you. Me and you the Italy. I'll call you later, or me and Mommy Eje will gotta call you. May I tell you say I'll call my friend Enogie, make it drop the video where he say they YouTube. I never really see him, but they talk and say Dave YouTube. I can say I'll call him.
No need.
Wait, I they talk now.
Okay, talk.
Yeah, I will calm down. Not the way they know the feel settle. Then I can't say I go call and make it drop the video because we don't take for this TikTok. Not the way we never see. Not be today you start to see all those things. You don't take for TikTok. Not be now where anything supposed to even wave you at your as you take.
They say your mama na kill.
No, not be for now. I know they talk about what happen now. They listen to me here. Oh, try to listen to me before we reach there. Now you understand. Before we reach there, I they talk about. You understand? So when I make me come that time, you come mute us. You're not going to hear what they talk. You they get me? I believe there now. May you concentrate.
And
You
listen, bros.
no, if you not focus, you'll be like say I dey talk to honorary grant.
No.
So you understand? You know my person. So all of us will be one. Not till we be say they not fit settle. Donisha not be waiting. We need to be proud of what he talk. All of us. All of us now 20. We don't first saga one or two people for this life. But not be to this extent. Are you getting me? Whereby say me they blame my friend. I blame my friend. Where? If he dey here now, he dey hear her. You know understand? I blame her, say, you be leader. You suppose settle this thing or fly. You just call them, Alpha, what did they do you? What did they do you? I don't want to hear this thing. Me with there, so you know how many people don't talk about me.
Osas.
No get mute. Mute.
Osas, why you dey do apropos?
Mute.
Not beg for me.
I know they beg for you.
Osas,
Mute first now, Papa. Mute first now.
you
They don't get mute first now.
They go, this is the way they do so, eh?
He go tire you.
This is the way they do so.
He go tire you.
First now.
TikTok not come comment for you.
Yeah, wait.
Enogie, calm down.
Osas, I bet wait, bros.
Wait, before.
Bros, wait. I won't come out now. I won't come out.
No.
I won't come out. I tell you something.
Yeah, wait. I don't try. Wait, I want to talk something.
You don't
I want to
try.
talk. Yeah, wait.
They say a stubborn fly follow the course of the grave.
Yeah, wait.
Osas,
I want to
Osas,
talk
if you
something
wait.
before you come out.
Yeah, wait.
I bet wait.
Osas, if you wait.
Oh, yeah. Talk
Yeah,
first
wait.
before I
Osas,
talk.
may I talk?
Mm.
Osas, let me add my wisdom now.
Oh, yeah, talk. Yeah, calm
you
down.
wait
No worry.
now. Wait, may I talk?
My come out time for business.
Osas, have you had something? May I talk, bros? May I add my
Oh, yeah, they talk. I dey hear you.
See, God will bless you for you to clap the platform. You get one thing with my father, they tell me that time. They say, it matter the happen. The one settle issue. You will mute, will not talk, not me say you be fool. Or not me say, who wrong will not go give her.
You go not say Lolo dey
right,
talk.
will not give her where they for
Look at the
right.
pain Lolo.
You see issue where they go also. This issue, Enogie here always out of this issue. Now, no who did this issue. This issue now, people where did their back. Now he did this issue.
Osas, I'm out of here.
Enogie abeg mute.
Yeah, wait.
Yeah, wait now, abeg. See, Enogie abeg, my brother, you be my brother if you come. I did this situation. I mean, if you beg Osas say, Osas drop all the force. Me here and Enogie come up. Baba, it matter they happen like this. As it dey hot, so everybody body go dey shake. May you wait now. It matter they happen like this. Your body go dey vibrate. Your body go dey vibrate. After 3 days, everybody body go cold. It goes a man. It gets a letter where you go receive. Your priest not rest for 3 days. I don't know whether they get me. See, what it made me calm down. Osas they bring una up. You know say Mona can't judge. I don't know whether they get me. Osas one go tell and say okay. All the problem we talk una get. Mona drop her first. You know say Mona be friend. I don't know whether they get me. Then a day, Osas go tell Enogie, it's okay, Enogie. If any of your fans come up, they talk, come, we get problem with Enogie. No let time saw Enogie for a platform. Drop and make go sort out for a platform. Me everybody come, they do their own. Waiting me one beg you patient. No let our body they scratch you. Make the scratch like that. You copy. And okay, as body they scratch you, Baba. No let her go. I be your brother. I don't know that be your brother. You feel me? I know you say this one of my enemy, this one of my enemy. Ask me there, so I did center. Who fuck up will give one fuck up. Who the rat will give one rebel now. And okay, climb up, drop a matter where you deal with your all this thing we play post with your go police station. Drop your case. I don't know that again because this matter, I will beg you people where they push you not be the raffle people. All those people in this matter red. As you get power, you don't get physical get power. We don't know go win. The more red, we don't need results. We don't need anybody who want to win. Make Baba
it's okay. You don't try. You don't try. You don't try. Wait. I want to talk something. Mute yourself first. Mute yourself. Iyao respect us. Now you come here. You understand? If not some people, they don't come. For that reason, I applaud her because now she the matter they happen to. She understand. You respect us. Now you come here. For that reason, I respect your personality for there. Sweet banana. Cheap because
yes,
one person head no go fit talk this thing. I beg.
Yes, my own no go pass like this. You dey hear me?
Yeah, they hear you.
Yes. If there's anything you will say on this live that is going to implicate or complicate your case, not talk anything.
No, I won't.
That is, I have to be honest, because if they get some kind of matter, whether they feel settle. If you don't carry my papa, my mama, go market, go beat. You know, tell me say more settle one. You understand? The thing is this: you can only settle issue when the both parties are willing and they want settlement. Once the both parties say not settle us, my brother, we can only from side preach peace. You understand? But sometimes once egg don't fall break, it's difficult to pick back. You know understand? Osas, make we use wisdom for this thing. We not be like say at the end of the day, we can't carry enmity. Now for educational purpose, waiting with the see so. Now for so many of us to learn, you understand? Ability for us to know say, yes, body they scratch us, make we know where our body they scratch us reach. You know understand? Usas, now waiting me want your talk be that I mute my mic.
Thank you. Yeah.
Bros, me no get con. Bro, mo invite Enogie la. I bet mo invite Enogie. If Enogie con, not talk.
I don't want to talk. Now just talk. I'll tell you. May you do it.
I beg. Enogie, I beg, bros. May you come up.
May you stop to the beg. They come and talk.
Enogie want ask you.
Yeah, you're
because
mad.
Stop to the beg. May you leave out
we not beg anybody. If who want make settlement, you climb. Are you getting me? So we don't try. So you know why I do this thing? May not be say this side fans go say at the cause, this side fans go say at the cause. You understand? At the start, I try to push hard. I push hard to make sure say I feel reach talk to him. Or even way they speak Italian, I tell her. You know understand? So I try. You understand? So I believe say maybe they don't want to settle this issue. Because me not see matter we go warrant this kind of thing. I don't see her. No camera down, nothing. Waiting can happen. People, they see flag people, camera down, they don't go police station. Waiting can your happen. Reach like that, this I go police station, this I go police station. Waiting. Who be that person where they push all those things? You not do well, brother, sister. Who they do? Who they see, I not just know. Because I know about this thing. I know how it be. I know the repercussion of it. You understand? You they hear me?
I they hear you.
So, you know, say life, we they pray may bad thing not happen to us. If it happen to you, when you hear the thing say that thing what happen, you could react. Now make me they react like this, not be my fault. You understand? So because of say persons, some of us don't forget experience. You understand? Now because they react to make sure say, okay, we feel solve everything easily. You understand? Because nothing.
Okay, mental life, bros. Mental life. The saga area mama again. What me I see, bros? This matter. If you got another topic where you want put another topic. This is where you want to go do. But now what me I see, I don't know that they get me because I don't feel they come and say I stupid. They feel me.
Ologbo,
Mother,
wait. I
Ologbo,
know
mute yourself. Me and
for
talk.
this Europe Sabbath platform now,
I want
for
talk.
this Europe Sabbath platform, anything where anybody want talk, Mona go talk for the matter. Are you
Osas,
getting
me
me?
want talk.
So
Osas,
I
I
not
want
go
talk.
feel who anybody
What do you mean
mouth
I see?
again. I don't try my
You two don't
best.
want
You understand? So it's okay.
Osas, I want talk. I bet me I talk. Nobody should stop me when I'm talking. Mute Edotina. Mute Edotina. Okay. Osas, nobody defeat anybody for this Europe. This is not the second. This is not the first time. It's not the second time. Second a bit third time. Enogie they do this thing. Enogie not be past anybody. You come here. You can't swear give anybody where go beg. Enogie, you they crazy.
If you say
Who
that,
be your mates? You they mad? Say anybody, I keep quiet since so, and you can't go open platform. Who you be? Do one when I say
my
who you be? Who the hell are you? Wait, busy they do when one people come down. Your people not fit call you. Okay, we wait there now. You think say we not get what we they do? You come here now. The here on now, fair yourself quiet. Okay, you come here say anybody will go beg or Google kill you. You don't feel they insult anybody. You they crazy? We don't dare here before you. Anybody here they call. Look us. My head not theirs. My head not theirs. Who were better? You they crazy? Mo will talk about you here. Me what day? Who be your mate when you they swear for? You go cost one, you go cost two, you go cost three. You now would make you be where you did. So if you don't know, we are the one that make you who you are. Enogie. Make I break this thing for your head. You not gonna let food where they eat enter my body. Enogie, you the craze. Make I shit for your head. You want make I shit for your head, Enogie, you the craze. You the mad.
Ologbo.
Where the what are you? You are calling the insult who? Now then you want to be craze. What when I say? Who born you? Yeah, they born you. They craze. My picture. Where the what are you?
Mommy,
Matter.
it's okay, it's okay.
What I say, I feel not be believe there now.
Not be this breast you suck. Not
Eh.
be your mama breast you suck. Who's fed that you get when you take the result? They say nothing they happen. Oh, that's something go happen every day. Waiting happen. Waiting.
Mommy,
Oh, yeah.
It's okay, it's okay.
Where the what are you? Now you
It's
crazy
okay.
pass.
I been want to talk to my brother. I been want to talk to my brother Enogie. Rambo, I beg you 1 minute, la baba. See, Enogie, get what I want to tell you.
Pussy, don't tell where you they talk. May you see relax.
Ologbo, show your face. Make them
Bros,
see
wait,
your
I
face. Say
talk
you
to my
try.
brother.
Oh,
May I talk to my brother?
Ologbo, show your face. Make them know say you still try, if at all.
I'll show my face. May I show my face, bros?
People
May I
be
show my
crazy.
face?
Mm.
May I show my face, bros? See,
Ologbo, your face, excuse you. Wait till
see life with this. So get what people not to understand. I did not worry. Now where I did. It's a matter where people not to understand. Life not be forever. The way we not get a behave just now. If I tell you say this thing not pay me, I lie. You know that, sir? See, if you be brother, what do you really respect brother? I come up, come beg my brother Osas. Osas, I beg. Make this matter go down. I beg, you try. Mo no, say, man, please your reign. Osas really obey me. Osas respect me. He give me that regard. He really draw people. Make you climb up. Mo settle this matter. Baba, you climb up, you begin the course.
Give
You
time.
pay
No
me,
good. Thank you.
If I tell you say you not pay me, If I tell you say you not pay me, I lie, oh. You told him where a man so will never reach us. Cause where I don't reach us, you get the kind of for display for Enogie just now. Baba, my picture of them, my platform. If you want to me, Instagram me, oh. They say cry for one and cry for all. That made me be cry come out. May I support Osas more make sure this man that die. Bros, donation shall not be waiting to the day they play. You know this time. Donation shall not be for my mind. If you say donation for my mind, now when you be say they control for a side train, you go see yourself where you not supposed to see yourself. Yeah, no say donation shall not be for children. See, he pay me. If I tell you say no pay me, say what you no get do yours now. Say no pay me a lie. See, every time for this platform, I make the start for Enogie. I'll tell you, over mommy go insult me. Ologbo drop yourself, carry your mouth, go that because of Enogie. I will stand to make sure say, yeah, make they live her, make they know it's short.
Wash my back, I wash your back, if at all.
I didn't insult the polo. I go say someone I'm not insult Enogie. If you want to insult Enogie, go on your platform. See, Papa, he pay me. If not really waiting with join, you join. I never show that matter. They need to go observe and wait again. If not waiting with real join, then you join. Papa, I rest my case.
No, Major, no worry.
Major, no
worry. Leave that matter. No worry.
So me go you know have your platform. Me don't
I
best.
know.
I want put my fight.
Okay.
I want put pressure. I want craze. For I don't get you the craze. Every time you insult who? Rambo, don't look me like that. If not, I'll carry you, Jonah. When the water love for myself. Now don't get man again for abroad. When the water now. More craze. Ogun go punish anybody where beg. Me don't beg. Meaning you they cost me to Ogun go kill you. You don't let me rest. In that many days, I don't rest. I don't rest. Una dey grace. What go do you? Sonia no can go do you. Now they let person rest. Oh, God, Beluwa. Nonsense. Useless set of people come abroad, come also. Una no go see I tell also. Now they make people up and down. Small money on I get now. So now I take and they fight Pope.
Me don't call. I want to Osas. I call Jama ZDC.
Yes.
I call her Nana. You finish also this matter. He say matter don't forget that we concern this matter. Where the tidy between in and DJ Wisdom. Say they don't want us anything concern media. We concern anything we be say people go the reason with we don't listen. If you repeat again, say they will give one we barrel level. In the film, so me just call and finish. I mean at all. He say me I pause. Say one go observe for the platform with the film. That's why I see the when you prove. How dare you say the lie?
You crave?
Osas, can I speak now?
Speak fast.
Okay, please, can make everybody mute, I beg. I greet everybody. Anyway, I was very angry before for SAS for dropping me at the initial time, but everywhere good.
Don't post Mommy Angel picture. Make it poster. Not today. Post my name, John and Enogie. You the grace.
Mommy Angel, please. Mommy Angel,
Mommy Angel, they kill you. You not see say the verse. You the grace.
Can you please?
You know, let me talk.
I believe it is all of us on this Europe side.
Understand? We there here with the bag. Maybe you don't care for anybody.
Be nice, talk fast
now.
now.
You
I don't like to talk when somebody they
What
talk.
about
Mama Angel, can you give me 1 minute, please? I believe saying that all of us were there this side. Now we make Enogie popular for who he is today. And I don't see the reason why he will come here and disrespect people for no reason. E&O is here. I know you invite E&O to come. Enogie come, he sent requests. And E&O was not saying anything. Enogie just come up, start to insult people where they beg E&O. Nobody's begging. We just need peace. That is why you see we are trying to talk to both of you.
For Facebook, I support you. Then I support you because
no be say if you see Osas tomorrow, you go beat them, or you see me tomorrow, you say won't beat me. If we decide to support E&O, that's even bringing you up. Nothing where you go do, but we'll give you that respect.
That one also you give me, they kill you then.
Mommy Angel, wait. We'll give you the respect to bring you this platform to see how we can settle this matter. The only thing you carry come for your mind is to insult people. Enogie, you are no bigger than everybody. And mind you, when everybody begin to point their accusing finger on you, it can never be the right one. You have to go in there and repair yourself. Know the things you get right and what you are not getting right. You are the same person come to this platform, this TikTok, to tell us, oh, go and buy hair from E&O. You are the same person who go today and say, if you buy hair from E&O, it is scratch head. Which one do we want us to believe? And again, you are the same person. You will say this one today. Tomorrow you come and tell us, sorry, you didn't say it again. And again, remember, many people are looking up to you. You have fans. Imagine you never sent many people to go and bully E&O, but because of the love they have for you, they went ahead to bully E&O. Imagine when you tell them, oh, buy hair from this person. After them buy hair, you come again to tell them, oh, don't buy hair again. What of those ones who buy the hair, that their hair scratching them now? The ones who waste their money before that you sent to go and buy the hair, will you refund their money back? No. If you have problem with somebody.
Enogie, you don't need to. This is, I beg, I'm not just there for this your talk. You say they find my family picture. DM me. post my family picture. Enogie, me they craze. I craze past you, they craze.
Mommy Angel, wait, Mommy Angel.
Mommy Angel, they kill you. Mommy Angel, not Mommy Angel, me. Come arena, not send to na Mommy Angel, not take the disrespect later. You they craze. Post my picture.
Mizadi,
post my family picture first. You go know say people they craze. I supported you in Facebook. So that not they make noise.
Osas, at this point now,
even this TikTok where you come, the same year where you dey beat, make me just tell you now.
Forget about say
sometimes
na the same week
everybody go come, Mommy Angel just support now, say I don't get weight. If I see money for TikTok, if I see money for hotel, I will come support you. Sometimes I say, okay, no worry, I go send you a whole receipt. You dey craze, we support you. If you become what you become today, now we take my family picture. Matter I not get, they not born you with that or to do what you say you they do. We do pass you. Better born your papa has, but if you do something that is good, we will tell you that something is good. You then might take, oh yeah, snap me. Cheese. Oh yeah, take your copy. Are you mad? I'm asking you a question. Are you mad? Who they fear you? Who you be? May God punish you and your fans when they come the right us say be two-faced kill your mama. You they crazy? You not they mad? You can't just say me they kick quiet for this TikTok.
It's okay.
You
It's
can't
okay.
claim it because anybody. It's okay. Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
It's okay, Mommy
Okay.
Angel.
Oh, kill you.
Yeah.
Better for you. Go back here, boy. If back here, boy, I better let them say, take kill you there. Go and look for my family picture and post. Go and look for my family picture and post. Oh yeah, you entered your juju, now more entered your juju. You will survive and you say you before they born you, I don't call life.
Wait, Mommy Angel, what did they tell you where you provoke
you?
You
Say
like
you want match my family picture. I dare that person know my family picture. May give you. Are you mad? Go and post my family picture.
Why go post Mommy Angel picture? Why?
Nana.
Post my family
Yes,
picture.
now.
You they crazy.
Why don't they write for
We
comment
keep
section?
quiet for here. We never talk to you since. We they beg everybody. You fail insult everybody with those platform. Go okay all of them. You come here now face to face. You can't talk into our face. You know they look people at their platform. Who you be? I met you Google. Not body where they not fit talk to. You cannot be a leader. Step down. Me another person before you beg them. Osas for the year. Osas now they lead. Now they do support before another person carry. Now, first they support. We don't share that. It's nowhere we never share food go. We have been doing all these things here. Even when secretary, they fucked up. Oh, all of them, they fucked up for you. Osas never drag secretary come out for this social media. They tell you say they're not they misbehave. They tell you say they're not they fucked up. They never drag them. But they are still here till tomorrow. Most of them said they would talk about Osas, the secretary. Osas, they hear all of them. He never drag their come. Now only you want to drag your wife. Now only you want to go drag secretary. Now only you want to go drag PA. Moderator, you go drag. Best friend, you go drag. Oh, they do you. They do you. You say they find my family picture. I don't understand. Mama don't die, yo. Go find her. Go find my mama for Ogbegun. May you go find her. May you go carry a grave. May you go post her. I'm not surprised. You will let them bring your mama come out with one rapper. Wait, tie for chest, carry come out. I pity that woman. I believe that woman now go they regret saying give birth to a useless boy. If I use and break mail or go get big estate, they take and born useless speaking like you will not get sense. When they worry you, they go beg you carry your wife in the house. They go beg you, no get don't do. Now you cause your abomination. Now you they tell your wife make can't do cleanser. We are be cleansing. I be what I call her. Wait till they clean. Wait till they clean. Ufian who they craze. Now you will feel saga your godfather a social media president. Who be me when you know fit to? Who you help? Who you help? If they not they said the good thing where they not today. If you do, we'll talk. Now you start her. Osas have been doing it for a long time. They not they pay for view. View where you they talk about. Now Osas has been having it 10 view, 10,000 view. If they get some. You will just send me pepper. Now that pepper will enter your house this night. Oto, you go sleep for toilet. Now that pepper, you go chop this night, you go sleep for toilet. Your maid, they give like you, they give pepper. Not be lying, they take person husband, so when they cry for social media, they give me pepper for you. Make that pepper you for I. Make pepper you. See go smoke, see like that way, no cemetery where they bury and put. They walk up and down. Now me, you know, they say, you want man like Peter. Now small thing, I don't do you so now. See sweat. You don't they sweat. I don't shake you small now, you they sweat. Go ask Perrier where you all deal with. For Italy, we don't make no, we don't do it, we do it, we don't talk too much. If I don't tell you your own self, I don't deal with you. You don't know, we have been begging her. If you don't know, we have been calming her down, begging her. You don't carry person picture, go put for YouTube. You the beat old lady girl. What till do you? You toast her, he not green for you. Now you the verse for her. Which one be the problem? Now today you want to come saying I don't love me, I don't not love me. Bring the conversation when you don't say love you. And no, not be today we fed not today. Even social media president, Mona never call me. I dey vex my head. You wait, don't cut that call right now. I don't want to pick any call. Mona, let me talk to this boy. Are you mad?
So as I was saying, Osas, don't be afraid of Enogie. As you say, they fear Enogie somehow. You understand? Osas, no they fear Enogie. Be a man. Stand for your rights. They had gotten to a point.
Okay, you know the fear. I go fear. You know, cannot be human. Be I go fear. I know the fear. Just the one maintain the relationship. Bro, not the talk that you say the fear.
You have come to a point.
I go fear.
Where we say all of you supposed to understand at this point, ERO has done nothing wrong. You understand? If Enogie is looking for another.
You calm down. Everything not be back boro. Sometimes you calm down, listen before you act. And not be every time you want to fight. This one not be fight. It never concern us to fight. You understand? Because now she come up, me never know her. Now my first time to see her, let me see her so that I'll know the kind of person way they talk. You understand? So I not say me anything not happen, but you wait. The thing never concern us. It come for this woman. We don't even know where the woman self. We don't even know where they foresee. So I want to know what will be the problem because me confused now. My head full. You understand? I confused. Counselor, if you did comment section, come up. May you can explain where una because now this woman.
Osas, the way I take the regard, you know they regard me like that. Oh, I go change her for
Lucky,
you.
Calm down.
The way I take the regard, you know they regard me like that. I go change her for you. Oh.
Change down.
The way I take the regard, you know they regard me like that. They tell you, you know your brother they curse you see so. I never curse you once so. I take the regard, you know they regard me. Oh, Osas got all this all of my body and I not concern me. Oh, he said you want it to raise your debt platform. Your brother said you want it to raise your debt platform.
Osas, make I tell you how this woman tell me.
Jobless.
I want to say it. I want to tell you my politics they pissed me off. You understand? Mommy Angel. If you can remember vividly that day when they argue for a part live stream for about Easy birthday. So after the live stream, so they all go start live stream. So we all went there, you understand? So she was saying something. She was saying, oh, they pay her children $800 for Canada, one child. So I commented, I was like, hell no, counselor. They know they pay one child for Canada 800. The least they will pay a child is $600 per child. Why are you lying? This woman tagged me and started insulting me.
Single mother. Now I take 2 hours women to single mother.
Insulting me. Then she's asking she don't know me from anywhere. Counselor, please go to the police. Give them this IP. I don't do fake accounts. I just opened this account recently. It is not fake. Let them trace me through the IP. I am not scared. I am a Canadian citizen. I know my rights. I know what I'm talking about. Counselor, take this page to the police station. Let them find my IP. I am waiting. I will pull up and we will go from there. I am not scared. I'm so sorry. If you think I'm scared, I am not. You insulted me. That's why I've been on your case for so long. She insulted me. Yes. Can I have dog?
Can I have
the way you say they regard people, they don't regard you back. Come here, see
it's okay.
No,
they regard people, they regard you. If you look at me for this one, Osas, I go argue your head. This one.
Osas, take time.
Because they regard you, not they regard you.
Wait.
Because for this TikTok, you are big. One person make the see you finish when they talk to you anyhow. For this TikTok, you are big.
I go tell my people to unleash you. If they unleash you, they go unleash on Rambo. If I dey drag you, I go dey drag Rambo.
Me they tell you now.
I dey respect you, but you know they regard you. Who senior person they respect you.
But you see they regard the same person. Not be like oh, you dey fight you.
For
this TikTok, you are big.
TikTok on Facebook.
If it doesn't big for Facebook, for this TikTok, you big person, not be say mad. See, this foundation of the TN, your platform is test, but I know people you don't help, and I know people don't do not be say.
They don't have picture. They don't have picture. Me, I know have picture. WhatsApp, the crowd.
They regard you, not be like they regard you.
Me no have picture. They coming for working you. I know have picture. They coming for working you. They coming for working you. There's so much people working me.
Agada, they not call you. Agada not call you.
I'm on a Sambiale.
Mommy AJ, wait. I bet 1 minute, no best. Mother Counselor, you say I know they go any nursing school. Say now you say make a light. It also na nursing school they go. Now I won't go.
What are them things?
Mother Counselor.
Thank you. God bless.
You say I not say I go. I know they go any nursing school. I just can't lie. So now you tell me say make a lie. So now nursing school they go.
You can't go.
Yeah, she don't come down.
Now wait till you talk.
No, she not
talk now.
Yeah, but she not there up. Yeah, she need to come.
She not there up. Now wait till she talk. I will get the record. I get the chat.
Okay. Yeah, I my video when I do in the morning.
Very good. Very good.
I swear, Lucky Nights, Lucky Nights.
Very good.
Lucky Nights, you hear me?
Yeah,
this matter where they have to I swear to my heavenly Father, I don't know anything about counselor and
oh yeah, you don't know anything, but you don't collect saga for yourself. You don't collect saga for yourself.
Wait now, Godfather, wait till make me come here today. Not just okay, make the rest for the donation. Are you getting me? Now wait till
now you go do donation when you go send me the rest of donation.
No,
now you go do donation.
Because now say me they command you.
Me want go find your address.
Two parts now.
Me want go find your address. Me you post me they say
now
you rest.
Carry me come here. So Rambo, you there aware now? Mommy Eje, no wait till carry us come here. No be waiting.
Nah. They say you want use the terrace your dead platform.
Now
they platform that
okay.
They say you want use the terrace your dead platform. I don't know say who's most of the bury your platform.
One thing we be say I no go fit do for this my life. You know. I know person no fit play.
I not say you make you back in your mama. I not say you make you back in your mama.
I no go fit talk.
You mute yourself for there. Mute yourself.
Madam, I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk. I make them leave me.
One bed where you dey sleep. I bet you answer me.
Nah, my bed. They don't have 40 years old to my.
Mommy, they not she did that for yes, so.
Yeah, she did.
Not be this woman now. This one not be counselor now in Osas.
Counselor.
Counselor. No, Osas. This one this jobless. No, this one they fight counselor. Counselor now come up just now.
No. Who should be all those English? I will go from here. Madam send you. Counselor, now me carry you go school. Now me give you money go take that exam for Canada.
This woman they fight counselor now. They fight counselor. Now two of them get. Now counselor get issue.
Now the woman
my time is over here now. 6 o'clock I go work.
You will go night talk.
Where you for see a picture?
I bet I come.
All these UK people are come there for do sort of English. Or call this correct English to the banner. Who are correct English now go kill you now. If your guy carry you go degree, now me carry you go PhD or this now me you go school for. They pay on €800. We may not talk to see government and finish. Canada.
Yeah, oh, waje, call him, waje,
Canada. See government I don't for every
yeah, oh,
Osas, even though everybody forget the voice record, but you see this Godfather, he can never forget the voice record.
I be seeing for you. I want to ask her. Say now you say make her life.
Now
I dey
they
go
come,
no
yeah, she
school.
come
Why
up.
not
Yeah,
exam for me?
she come up,
Yeah,
but
I
she
not
can't
quick
calm
come.
down. Yeah, she come on. You not quick on. She can't calm down.
Na
Now
for
make
sure
me they
for
ask you,
me.
yeah, oh, Counselor said that my video when me take
Perry,
all and
Perry
PA.
Goldie.
Now you react.
Perry,
Not
mommy,
true.
AJ. Perry Goldie.
Only perigodi.
Perry
Only perigodi.
Goldie.
Don't
Perry
leave some people.
Goldie. Perry Goldie. Perry Goldie.
See, Counselor, may I tell you, if by the time was a zip on my platform, the hot, fear no will let you climb here. Fire fit burn you 2 seconds. You for not stay here call speak English. So if not time the way here be here, you know if you climb here talk. Man, I'm not gonna let you talk one word that your correct English.
So
Perry Goldie not come
full
for
of
me.
45 years.
So
Perry Goldie not diploma. Talk to Perry Goldie for your comment section. Talk to Perry Goldie.
I know each other. And that Perry
I don't know. I don't know Perry Goldie where they.
The Perry Goldie way lucky. That's put for a platform where say make they insult me. Oh. Now be that. I not do I mention
Perry Goldie.
Madam, you know they come and name the person we have to person the matter to no they come and name again. No they come and name they don't okay, you don't talk again, they don't hang your picture. Go on your platform, go on your platform. Madam, go on your platform. Go on your platform, madam, go on your platform. Oh yeah, me you go on your platform now, me go the Chateau Money Sambiele, go on your platform. Go on your platform. Oh yeah, now me, oh yeah, go saga now, they don't saga, they don't hang your picture. Go on your platform. May you go on your platform now. Go on your platform. Upon all the lion now, they see hang your picture. Upon all the lion, they see hang your picture. Upon all the lion, they see hang your picture. Now you know the fear good and see so. You don't come up from Mommy Angel age. Mommy Angel is not 46 years. Mommy Angel is not 35 years. People now 35 years, I'm on
you say me your
saga many years come up for
you.
you.
Rest of this matter. They don't post in your address. So you say
now 35 years.
No, everything would be they try to trash that time, but
now my body, now my body for the power. Now my body, for the get power. When I start to like you, when I now my body for the when I start to like you, when I start to like you, like you want the saga me. When I start to like you,
shut up and they talk. Enogie,
nah, you are not 35 years. You are no longer.
Mommy, they not go for.
You are not 35 years. You are not 35 years, madam. You are not 35 years.
You know lucky nice. You know if you tire.
You are no longer 50 years. Okay, they don't
teach
saga
me.
years.
Now they teach me for this TikTok. Now they teach me how to saga for this TikTok. Shut up when I'm talking.
When I talking, shut up. My WhatsApp. Hey, no, they don't hang your picture now. What can you cut on me now?
Oh, yeah, go sleep for that.
What can you cut on me now? Oh, yeah, go on your live video now. Shebi, I know you saga you doing your live video for me from morning to night. What did they do for you? Oh, yeah, see go the fear good now. See go the fear good now. Go on your platform. Go on your platform. He don't turn you to 35 years now. 35 years. He don't come up to 40 years.
Go treat your dead skin. Your skin too dirty for me to reply you.
He don't come up 50 something. He don't remove and turn you to 35 years.
Osas, good evening.
You do comment section. You talk to me. I go your face where your skin dirty.
I be
go treat your skin. I know the reply get it.
He not ready for 1 year. He not ready for 1 year. No, money are barely in order. In my source, as you don't do, we for not see for year to today. Your Esa brother cannot control fame. Your Esa brother cannot control fame for just 2 minutes.
Business.
He don't fall Yakata. He don't fall Yakata.
Make una tell Counselor say make she go give police my page. I dey wait.
Your Esa brother go put the ID. You know be carry fame for
just give from Natty this weekend.
You just dey cry
from Natty this weekend. Give my page to police.
You know why I say me go carry and go?
Then we all put together and go to the police
how much Canada they pay.
I'm not scared of you, motherfucker.
Why Counselor call they talk how much Canada they pay for?
I'm waiting.
Good
From Natty this weekend. Now
I give you. You don't know the reason
now
why
I give you. Then we'll go to court. Let's go.
For issue. Now I be one explain.
You did there?
Yes, I did. No the platform where the tea app before the call go YouTube.
Any woman like this now they do this for TikTok. So you woman, madam, you know your husband not there.
Lucky, shut up your mouth. They do ta. If you say no, you shut up, idiot. Shut up, your mouth. They roll you for there. Now they put us
the rubbish now went to they sort now. Hey, just let's ask a woman like this. So don't wait they see man. You want to explain your papa, your marriage in Ufia, who avec the Europe, Mona go back to Nigeria, who are big, Mona enter ship, they go back to Nigeria. This woman when they have the ship don't complete, Mona put this woman for attachment. This woman when they have so sit, don't go container, Mona put her for attachment. You people should go back to your country. Old women. Never. See that one call. See that one call. One call explain. That one and assist go more down. Never. That one assist go more down. One call explain. I did them when it when we na mother don't please we here. Eh mother don't please ah 35.
If I lucky, you know you say
when we na don't please you here. You want call explain. You want call explain to Saziklo man ufia wo.
If I lucky. You know you say kia cancel the fan shower or quality shower.
Me never get that one time. Me me go watch play tomorrow na saga. Me go watch play. Come you this woman. You be widow. Na me want to where you me fian with talk here. If you get husband, go put the key husband. Go back for where. If you get husband, don't order for where fian wua. Order for where fian wua. Order for where fian wua. Who lori area? Wa fian wu. A widow. Shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth. You be widow. You be widow. You be widow. Wa agbe. Uwe ni we no gba. Ashawo. Ashiwe Napoli ashawo. Napoli ashawo. Tutu nera bi tutu. Wa agbe. Uwe no gba. Wa fian wu. Wa agbe ogun ogbeju eno kwa. Ti jo no kwa fi ekele ayini. Wa fian wu. You want to support wa agbe o una one. Person when she go more that give one, I want to last. Person when she go more that give one, I want to last. She go more that give you name you carry. Wa agbe wa mi oni she go more that name.
If I look in there, I take some easy, I agree.
I know you take it easy. Yeah, I mean, she go more that name.
Thank you for the gift. I thank you. So look at the power.
She go more that give you name you carry. You not spend 2 seconds on the phone.
This one.
See this one. Okpane won gwe u pa ya o kunero wodo. Okpane won gwe eri won wuji o.
Thank you for the gift.
If I come out to contribute, madam, for your husband. Madam, go get children food. Go get
Thank you. Mona carry go 1K. Mona carry
me no dey drink for anybody. Go get children food. Go get children food.
No, thank you, Jenny.
Now praise this boy this way he did so. Now praise and praise this way he did so. I'm on this ambiele. I'm on this ambiele. Now na praise and this way he did so.
1K. Don't do it.
Now this 2 seconds now. It don't
do Jenny. Jenny is enough. It's enough. God bless you.
Cancelo, I dey come. Me go give you my real name because donation me for Italy. We never reach your stage.
I don't go see your picture. I say resemble goat.
Mona, show your husband picture. Show your husband picture.
You resemble goat.
May you show your husband the widow. Widow, show your husband widow. Widow, show your husband widow.
Thank you.
We're not that bad. Show your husband the we're not that bad. Go and take care of your children and your husband. Order 100 degrees single mother. At this your age never marry. At this your age never marry. At this your age never marry. No more person boy.
They push you for saga.
Why
because when I know you not there for saga.
Hello, tell no more person la. This your age never marry.
No let this idiot.
Go and marry. Enogie. Can you on your camera? Can you on your camera? Widow never marry this your age. 39 years you never marry. 39 years you never marry. 39 years no fear. I did them when the tea happen. You know they work. You know they do anything. We now so. I did them when the tea happen. Like this. A day like this, I did them when you happen. Choose Benin women for Europe. Choose Benin women. Why Jayahu?